Please subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. We believe in sharing the knowledge with the world. Press this bell icon to receive all the notifications from our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to Competent Commerce classes. In today's class, I will be telling you about what are the important topics or the questions for macroeconomics board exam 2018 and what are the expected questions that can be asked in this board exam 2018 and what will be the pattern of macroeconomics in cbse board exam 2018. So first we will talk about what will be the pattern of cbse board exam 2018. There are 5 units in macroeconomics: unit number 5, unit number 6, unit number 7, unit number 8 and unit number 9. Unit number 5 is your national income unit, unit number 6 is your money and banking, unit number 7 is your aggregate demand unit, unit number 8 is your government budget unit and unit number 9 is your balance of payment and foreign exchange unit. These are the 5 units. So there will be 2 questions, as I had already uploaded the video of microeconomics board exam 2018. So if you want to go through the microeconomics board exam 2018 video, then I will be providing the link in the description box below. So kindly go through that link. Now come to the blueprint of macroeconomics 2018. There will be 2 questions of 6 marks each. There will be 4 questions of 3 marks each, and there will be 3 questions for 4 marks each and 4 questions for 1 marks each. Thus there will be in total 13 questions for macroeconomics board exam 2018. In case of unit number 5, it might be there will be 2 questions. First come to 6 mark question. There will be 2 questions for 6 marks. One question will definitely be asked from unit number 5. That is your numerical question on measurement of national income. The 3 methods: value added method, income method and expenditure method. On these 3 methods, one numerical question will definitely be asked. Another 6 mark question that might be asked is from unit number 7, right? That is your aggregate demand and related concept unit. From this unit number 7, I will be telling you what will be the question that can be asked in this unit, right? Now come to 4 mark question. 4 mark question can be asked from unit number 6, unit number 7 and unit number 8, and 3 mark question will be asked from unit number 7, unit number 9 and unit number 5. So 1 mark question will be asked from unit number 5, unit number 6, unit number 7 and unit number 8. So please go through that blueprint of macroeconomics 2018 and one by one I will be telling you what will be the important questions for each of these units that can be asked in the examination 2018. So now come to first unit number 5. Unit number 5 is your national income and related aggregates. From this, there are 4 important questions. Question number 1 is based on your numerical part, right? Numerical kaun sa bhai? Numerical of measurement of national income, as there is only one topic on numerical is left, that is your measurement of national income, value added method, income method and expenditure method. Thus one question of 6 mark will definitely be asked from this question, right? Now come to question number 2. That is very important from my point of view. Is GDP is often considered as an index of welfare of the people. Defend or refute. This statement is refuted. This question is from chapter number 4 and most of the students leave this question, right? This can be asked in 3 marks question or 4 marks, right? Now come to question number 3. Another question that can be asked from this unit is explain whether the following items will be included in calculating national income or not, right? This question is very important. This question may come as an option to numerical question, right? So first point is in this question, in question number 3, what we have to tell? We have to tell whether these following items will be included in calculating national income or not. First one is your winning of a lottery prize. Will it be included in national income or not? No, winning of a lottery prize will not be included in a calculation of national income. Why is it so? It is because it does not add any value to the goods and services. Therefore, winning of a lottery prize is not included in calculating national income. Now the second point, rent-free house given to an employee by an employer. An employer gives a house to his employee which is rent free. Will it be included in national income? Yes, it will be included in national income. Why? When an employer is giving a house to his employee to live, that means he is compensating him. That means it is a part of compensation of employees, social security benefits which are being provided by the employer to his employee. Thus, this second will be included in calculating national income because it is a part of compensation of employees. Now the third point is rent received by Indian resident on their buildings rented out to foreigners in India. Will it be included? Yes, it will be included. The building is located in India and foreigners are living over there and paying the rent to Indian landlords, right? This will be included in national income as it is a part of factor income earned from abroad. Now next is gift received from abroad. Will it be included? No, it will never be included in calculating national income. Why? While in calculating national income or domestic income, we don't include transfer income in it. Therefore, gifts received from abroad are not included in calculating national income. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is similar to question number 3. Now the difference is, now we have to decide whether these items will be included in domestic income or not. Domestic income, what is domestic income? Domestic income is the one which is earned within the domestic territory of the country, right? We will never include all those income which we are earning from other countries, right? First point, profits earned by branches of foreign bank in India. The foreign bank is located in India and foreign bank is earning profits in India. Will it be included in domestic income? Yes, it will be included in domestic income. Why? Because this foreign bank is located within the domestic territory of the country. Second point is rent received by an Indian from his building in London. The building is in London. The rent is received in India. That means the amount is received from foreign country and that the amount is received from London in India. Therefore, it is factor income earned from abroad, and factor income earned from abroad is a part of national income. Therefore, it will not be included and this first one will be included. Now, the third one is bonus paid by a firm. Will it be included? Yes, bonus is a part of compensation of employees and compensation of employees is a component of income method. While calculating income method, we add three things: compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income. Thus, compensation of employees is a part of income method, that is domestic income. Therefore, it will be included in calculating domestic income. The fourth one is financial sale and purchase of shares, bonds and debentures. No, it will not be included. Why? Because these are our financial securities and they does not add any value to the goods and services. Therefore, it will never be included in domestic income or in our national income. Though these are four important questions from unit number 5. Now come to the conclusion that from unit number 5, 3 questions can be asked. 1 mark question, a 6 mark question and 1 3 mark question, right? 6 mark question will definitely be asked from your numerical part. 3 mark question can be asked from value added method or from the questions that I have told you, right? If you have any problem in value added method, income method and expenditure method, please let me know. I will make that video for you. Now come to unit number 6. Unit number 6 is your money and banking unit, right? In this I had told you that it might be possible 1 question of 4 mark and 1 question of 1 mark will be asked from this, right? 1 question of 1 mark can be asked from money chapter, what is money or what is the definition of money supply, and 4 mark question can be asked on these 4 questions, right? I don't give much importance to money chapter. Why is it so? Because again and again the same question is asked on money, so I don't think that this question will be asked in this board exam 2018, but I have considered it as there is only 1 question on money. These 3 questions are very important from banking. Now let us understand these questions one by one. Question number 5 is, what are the limitations of barter exchange that gave rise to the emergence of money? This sums up whole of your money chapter. This question is important. This question can be asked in your examination. Question number 6 is, explain agency functions of commercial bank. We have studied that commercial banks have two kinds of function. First is your primary function, second is your secondary function. Secondary functions are further classified into 4 categories. First is your overdraft facility, discounting bills of exchange. Third is your agency function, and fourth is your general utility function. Please prepare agency functions and general utility functions. This question can be asked in the board exam. Agency functions or general utility functions. Now come to question number 7. Explain the function of central bank. Which function? Bankers bank and supervisor. Why I have given priority to this one? Right? There are 3 kind of functions which are performed by the central bank. First one is your currency issuing authority. Second is your banker to the government, and third one is your bankers bank and supervisor. I have given importance to this one. It is because as a bankers bank and supervisor, central bank performs 3 more functions. First one is your custodian of cash reserve. Second one is your clearinghouse function, and third one is your lender of the last resort. That's why I am giving much importance to this question. That is your question number 7. I think that this question can be asked in the board exam 2018. Now come to the last question. Explain the process of credit creation by commercial bank. This question is very important, and most of the students face problem in this type of question, or either they skip this question. But this question is very important. This question will be asked only if the paper is tough. Paper is tough, then you can expect that this question will definitely be there in the paper. That is to explain the process of credit creation by commercial banks. So these are the 4 questions that are important from my point of view in unit number 6. Now move to unit number 7. In this unit number 7, we have 5 important questions that can be asked in CBSE board exam 2018. Unit number 7 is your determination of income and employment, and as I had already told you that in unit number 7 there can be 4 questions, one of 6 mark, one of 3 mark, and one of 4 mark, and one of 1 mark, right? This unit is very important, just like a national income unit, right? Now come to question number 9. Derive saving curve from consumption curve, or vice versa, derive consumption curve from saving curve. This question can be asked either in 3 mark or 4 mark, right? Now the next question is question number 10. Explain ADAS approach of income determination as per Keynesian, or another question on this topic is saving investment approach. So both the cases are important. On this case, definitely 6 mark question will be asked. Now question number 11 is explain the process of money multiplier. This question is very important for CBSE board exam 2018. This question will definitely be asked in this examination, as in the last examination this question was not asked, and this question is very important for this board exam 2018. Another question is of numerical. Numerical question will be based on the multiplier, APC, APS, MPC, income, break-even point. Asking all these 5 aspects, one numerical question will be prepared, right? Question number 13 is your explain the measures to correct excess demand or deficient demand. When the question is silent, whether it is in 2-sector economy or 3-sector economy, then we will assume it that it is in 2-sector economy. So this question is also important. These are the 5 questions that are important in determination of income and employment. If you have any problem in any of these questions, let me know. I will sort it out. Now come to unit number 8, that is the government budget and the economy. This unit will carry a question of 4 mark and a question of 1 mark, right? Question of 4 mark. Let's talk about what question can be asked for 4 marks, right? There are 2 kinds of question in this chapter that can be asked for 4 mark. One question is explain the implication of revenue deficit and fiscal deficit or primary deficit. But I have not taken primary deficit. Why? Because explanation of primary deficit is not for 3 mark or 4 marks. That's why I have considered only two deficit, revenue deficit and fiscal deficit. So please prepare these two topics, implication of revenue deficit and fiscal deficit. Now question number 15 is state with reason whether the following items will be included in revenue receipts or capital receipts. Now before that, let me tell you what are revenue receipts and what are capital receipts. Revenue receipts are those receipts which neither creates any liability, nor causes reduction in the assets of the government, right? While capital receipts are those receipts which either creates a liability or causes reduction in the assets of the government. Now let's talk about this, right? So please consider this. रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट ना ही लायबिलिटीज क्रिएट करते हैं ना ही एसेट्स को घटाते हैं. कैपिटल रिसिप्ट या तो लायबिलिटी क्रिएट करेंगे या एसेट्स को घटाएंगे. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट पॉइंट, लोन्स रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस. लोन वापस मिल गया हमें पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस से. सपोज एक इंडिविजुअल है, उसने पीएससी को लोन दिया. दैट मींस जब उसने पीएससी को लोन दिया इस टाइम पे, तो उसके लिए वो क्या बन गया, एसेट बन गया, राइट? जब एसेट बन गया, वो लोन पीएससी ने अब इसको वापस कर दिया. दैट मींस उसके एसेट घट गए. उसके जब एसेट घट गए, वो क्या बन गई, कैपिटल रिसिप्ट्स, राइट? So this is a capital receipt. Why? Because it resulted in a decrease in the assets of the government. Now the second is amount borrowed from Japan. When the amount is borrowed from Japan by the government, that means the liability of the government is increased. When the liability is increased, that means the liability is created. Therefore, it is a capital receipt. Now the third point is profit of LIC. We know that sources of revenue are two: non-tax revenue and tax revenue. In case of non-tax revenue, profit of public sector enterprises is one of its component. So profit of LIC, LIC is your public sector enterprise, right? Therefore the profit of LIC will be included in revenue receipts. Why is it so? Because it neither creates any liability nor causes reduction in the assets of the government. Now come to our unit number 9, that is your balance of payment unit. In this unit number 9 we have two chapters. One is your foreign exchange chapter and the other is your balance of payment. From this balance of payment chapter, I have taken only one question for 3 marks, right? That is the explain the difference between autonomous items and accommodating items. This question is very, very important. Another question that can be asked from balance of payment is what are the components of current account and capital account. But I don't think that is very much important for CBSE board exam 2018. That's why I have given importance to question number 16, that is difference between autonomous items and accommodating items. Now come to question number 17 and 18. Question number 17 and 18 are from foreign exchange chapter. Now the question number 17 is explain the effect of currency depreciation on export and import. What is currency depreciation? Currency depreciation means fall in the value of the domestic currency in comparison to foreign currency. So due to currency depreciation, exchange rate of the currency falls. When the exchange rate falls, price of the given due to currency depreciation, exchange rate falls. When exchange rate falls, price of the domestic good decreases and price of the foreign goods rises. Now what happens? Domestic good is now cheaper than the foreign good. What we will do? We will now export more to other countries as domestic good is now much more cheaper in comparison to foreign good. Therefore, we will increase the export. And what will happen to our import? Since the prices of the foreign goods are rising, prices of the foreign goods are rising. When the prices of the foreign goods are rising, it is more costlier. So we will stop importing goods from other countries. That means the import will fall. Right? Now similar question can be asked for what will be the impact of currency appreciation on export and import. Again, question क्या बन जाएगा हमारा? Due to currency appreciation, exchange rate will rise. As a result of it, price of the domestic good will increase and price in the foreign good will fall, right? Due to now what happens? Domestic good is now costlier in comparison to foreign good. Thus, we will start purchasing more of the foreign good. As a result of it, import will increase. And what will happen to export? Now the domestic good is costlier. When the domestic good is much more costlier, what will happen? The foreigners will stop buying goods from our country. As a result of it, export will fall. right? Now come to last question. Question number 18 is write short note on fixed exchange rate system and flexible exchange rate system. This question is very important. Now the another hot question that can be asked in this on this topic is what are the role played by the government in the exchange rate system? As you know that there are three kind of exchange rate system. First is your fixed exchange rate system, second is your flexible exchange rate system, and the third one is your managed floating rate system. So what are the role played by the government in all these three systems? This is the hot question for this topic. This is all that I have in macroeconomics class 12 cbse board exam important question 2018. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Thank you.